Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. Then again 27 divided by 9 is equal to also 3. Now 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, here is division, and also here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. So 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3 divide 27 divide 9. Okay, now 3 divided by 27 can be written as 3 upon 27 divide 9. Now 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. So now the expression become 1 upon 9 divide 9. Okay, now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction 1 upon 9 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction 9 is equal to 1 upon 9 is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. Okay, so now the correct answer is 1 upon 81. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Okay, thanks for watching this video.